how to hide your about section in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your information from people you don't know on WhatsApp. So for that, you'll need to head over to your WhatsApp app and then go to your profile icon in the bottom right. Then go to privacy. There you can see about, tap on it, and then you can set it to my contacts or nobody. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.